Without the proper tools, even the simplest parts can be difficult to design molds for, but not for TopSolid'Mold. Here, we just ask TopSolid'Mold to generate all of the possible parting lines for us. From here, we're just selecting the parting lines that we want to use. You'll notice that they turn green as we select them. At this point, our parting line development is complete. That took just a few seconds. Next, we'll start to design our parting surfaces. And you'll see that even this only takes a few short minutes. We'll start by just extruding those edges straight out, and then we'll extrude these edges straight out. And if you notice, TopSolid'Mold doesn't make you worry about what plane is active when you go to extrude. It knows that you want to extrude away from your part. Next, we'll create a simple swept surface, and like that, we're complete. Here, we forgot to add an extrusion. No big deal. We'll just go back, select those edges, extrude them. From here, we'll use edge selection and extrude that edge out. And now next, we need to create some additional curve geometry. So we'll do that on the fly, creating a tangent spline from that edge of the surface to that edge. We'll pull those tangent combs out just to feather it a little bit. And now we'll create a simple three or four curved surface. In this case, we'll choose that edge, our curve, that edge, and then a special function to allow us to add together multiple edges into a fourth profile. Let's see that one more time. We'll change colors, we'll choose tangent curve, we'll choose the edge of the surface to be tangent from and to, we'll modify the tangent comb to control the blend a little bit better, and then we'll go back to 3 and 4 curved surfaces, change our color back, select the edges that we want to use for creating our surface, and TopSolid'Mold does the rest for us. Lastly, we have our internal parting surfaces to deal with. So we'll go ahead and choose Create Internal Parting Surfaces and just choose a simple trim function. We'll zoom up, we'll select our parting lines, and TopSolid'Mold does the rest for us. At this point, our parting line and parting surface development is complete. If we take a quick look at everything, you can see that quickly we've captured our design intent for our parting surfaces very quickly and efficiently. Now we'll let TopSolid'Mold do the rest of the heavy lifting for us. Here we'll select our part, our zero, and our parting surfaces. TopSolid'Mold will shrink wrap a block around there. We'll ask it to create the blocks, and like that, we now have a core and cavity block completely developed. If we take a quick look, there's your cavity block. If we look at the bottom block or core block, there you have that. Maybe we want to make a quick change. So we'll look at a plan view, and we'll modify the dimensions. Maybe set that to 200 millimeters. Set that to 100. And as you can see, the full parametric power of TopSolid is working in conjunction with TopSolid'Mold.